Hello everyone, I'm here to present our quality consultant presentation on company Delta Airlines. I'm Ardra Sajan and here are my teammates Akriti, Thakur and Yogesh, Kumar. Now we are going to discuss about the agenda of the presentation. So the first one is about the introduction to the company, then we will talk about the company overview, then scope and objectives, environmental analysis, key learnings from the analysis, then we will talk about the recommendations and we will talk about the implementation plan, risk assessment, conclusion, and the future scope of the company. So here is the introduction to the company Delta Airlines. Delta is the global airline with more than 5,000 daily flights. So they are the trusted airline with premium service. They faced frequent IT outages from the year of 2016. So the result of this is the delayed flight, poor experience, brand impact. And their goal is to use total quality management tools to solve core quality issues. So here is the company overview of Delta Airlines. So the company was founded in the year of 1925. It is headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia, located in United States. And the industry of that the Delta Airlines comes under is the commercial aviation. So the products and services that are provided by Delta is the passenger and cargo air transport in-flight services. And the core values they possess is the honesty, servant leadership, respect, perseverance, and integrity. So here are the scope and objectives of the company. So they focused on IT and scheduling issues. The objective is to identify the root cause and to recommend the fixing solutions. So there are several tools used in this. They are fishbone diagram, Pareto chart, SWOT analysis, and process charts. So there were some constraints that the company has already faced, that was time, budget, and disruption due to several factors. So there is the goal to boost reliability and reduce the complaints of the company. So here is the fishbone diagram. So it includes 6 different factors that affected the issues in the company. So the first one is the environment. It includes the post-COVID travel surge, extreme weather conditions, and in case of material factors, it includes dependency on third-party IT vendors, not testing of software updates. And in case of people factors, it includes inadequate training, over-reliance, lack of communication. And in case of the technological measures, it includes lack of integration across systems, outdated infrastructure. And the measurement factors includes limited system monitoring, poor analytics. And in case of process, it includes absence of standard procedures, no proactive maintenance, delayed escalation. So here is the Pareto chart that describes and demonstrates the customer complaints in the Delta Airlines. So we can see that there are more than 90 complaints in case of flight delays. So there are several complaints that are mentioned over here. It is flight delays, refund issues, poor customer service, lost or delayed baggage, scheduling issues, IT system failures, and others. So in total, we have found 273 complaints in case of Delta Airlines. So here is the process chart that describes about how the passengers are booking the tickets. So the passenger book tickets and their system check seat and crew availability. There is confirmation issued, scheduling data syncs with flight systems, then gate assignments and baggage logistics finalized, and pre-boarding communication sent to the passengers. So it is observed that the step 2 and 4 often fail due to IT outages. So now I will invite my friend Akriti to talk about the SWOT analysis.
Hello everyone, my name is Akriti Thakur. I'm going to talk about SWOT analysis. So SWOT analysis is based upon 4 factors, that is strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So we're going to talk about the SWOT analysis which we did on the Delta Airlines. So starting with the strengths, so this company has strong brand recognition globally. It's a major strength. The second is broad international and domestic network. The third one is Sky Miles loyalty program. The fourth one is top tier service offerings, which includes Delta One and lounges. And now I'm going to talk about the weaknesses. The first weakness, which is that the IT systems. There is the main issue which we are going to talk about in the next slides as well. The second one is poor incident response planning. The third is low employee morale during system outages. The fourth one is high volume of customer complaints, as my teammate has already told about the customer complaints during the Pareto chart. The third one is opportunities. The opportunities are they should invest in cloud-based scheduling. They should integrate AI into the customer service. The third is they should expand their disaster recovery framework. And the last one is they should build predictive maintenance analytics. Now, the last thing is threats. The first threat is the union unrest or strike actions. The second one is class action lawsuits. The third is the reputational damage from frequent disruptions like customer complaints as well. The fourth one is cyber attacks or regulatory fines. So moving to the next slides, it's the key learnings from the analysis. So through fishbone diagram, we got to know that old systems, poor training and unclear ownership was the root cause of the Delta Airlines. The Pareto chart showed us the complaints. The top 3 complaints covered the 65% of the whole complaints. The process chart, during this we came to know about during the booking of the tickets, the step 2 and step 4 were the main cause of failures. And that SWOT analysis, we got to know about the weakness of the company, that is their IT systems. Now the core insight is we can use the cloud-based IT things to just improve that. So these are some recommendations. The first one is cloud-based IT infrastructure. The second is comprehensive recovery plan. The third one is artificial intelligence-based virtual things. And the fourth one is strong communication network. So in our assignment, we talked about this recommendation, which is upgrade to cloud-based IT infrastructure in our improved stage. It includes the real-time data processing and improved uptime. It will reduce the delays and will improve the customer service, and it will align with Delta's innovation and service goals. So now we're going to talk about pros and cons of the recommendation. That was upgrade to cloud-based IT infrastructures. So benefits are it will increase the uptime by 99.9%. It will offer the better scheduling and rebooking, and it will also satisfy our customers. The drawbacks are high implementation cost. The cost of implementing the IT infrastructure is high, which is a drawback. The second is employee retraining. We have to retrain our employees regarding this new system then. The third one is temporary disruption. If we'll apply this system, there will be a temporary disruption in the system which is going on. So this is our implementation plan, which includes 5 steps. The first step is planning and audit, which will take almost 1 to 2 weeks. Second step is the vendor selection. We will select the vendor from where we can buy our IT infrastructure system. That will take week 3 and 4. For setup and integration, it will take around 3 months. And then we have to train our employees and we have to test it as well. It will take 4 months. And then we will just go live and we will monitor how it's going to work. It will be done in 5 months. So now I'm gonna call my friend Yogesh to continue with the risk assessment.
Hello everyone. Now I'm talking about risk assessment, and in risk assessment there are 3 major risks in Delta Airline, like high cost, downtime and staff adjustment. Now I'm talking about mitigation strategy. So they are making their schedule migration in off-peak seasons and maintain backup throughout, offer training and support, and monitor their KPI closely. Now I'm going to talking about like KPI, key performance indicator. They wanted to increase their target 99.9% to making their system update, and they also complaint reduction more than 30%, and they want their customer satisfaction like 10%, and they decrease their rebooking time to 25%, and operational disruption index improved crew scheduling time. Now we are on conclusion and talking about future steps. So how we can prevent to stop these type of risks. So the main risk is main problem was fixing their IT core problem. So after fixing this problem, they increase their efficiency and trust, and also Delta's brand strength. Now I'm talking about the future steps. In future steps, they post-launch evaluation and expand cloud integration and explore AI and positive tools.
Thank you.